Hello friends, welcome to Samayal Darbar. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocobar ice cream at home without any molds. I'm just using a steel tumbler and a steel spoon for the chocobar ice cream. So for that I have taken 1 cup of double cream and I'm going to whisk it continuously with a steel spoon until the soft peaks form. For me it took around 20 minutes to whisk it continuously. Now the cream should not fall from the spoon. That is the right consistency. So we have to whisk it continuously till that consistency reaches. And then after that I'm going to add half cup of condensed milk with it and I'm going to whisk it continuously without any lumps. And then I'm going to add vanilla essence 1.5 teaspoon and I'm going to mix it together. Now I'm going to transfer the cream into a steel tumbler and then I'm going to keep this steel tumbler in the freezer for 1 hour. So after 1 hour I'm going to just insert a steel spoon with the bottom end inside the cream and I'm going to freeze it for overnight or 6 hours. So now we will prepare the chocolate sauce. So for that I'm going to take in a pan I'm going to take water and then I'm going to take 200 grams of milk chocolate and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and I'm going to melt the chocolate using a double boiling method. Now the dark chocolate is ready, the milk chocolate is ready. So again I'm going to add white chocolate 100 grams and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil I'm going to add and then we are going to melt it. You can use Dairy Milk and Milky Bar, Dairy Milk for milk chocolate and Milky Bar for white chocolate. Now both the sauces are ready. Now we are going to take the ice cream from the mold and then we are going to dip it into the sauce, the chocolate sauce. So for dipping it, take a wide cup like this and then dip the ice cream into the chocolate sauce and immediately if you want nuts to be added, you have to transfer it immediately and roll it in the nuts. So for nuts, I have taken half cup of almonds and peanuts. I've chopped into small pieces. Now you just need to roll the ice cream in the nuts immediately once you dip the ice cream into the chocolate sauce. So this step has to be done in a second. Otherwise the nuts will not stick onto the ice cream. Now again I'll show you with the steel tumbler. You have to twist the spoon like this and then remove the ice cream from the steel tumbler and then immediately we are going to dip the ice cream into the chocolate sauce and once the extra sauce comes out of the ice cream we are going to roll the ice cream into the nuts. Immediately we have to roll it in the nuts, then only the nuts will stick onto the ice cream. Now the chocolate sauce should not be so hot, otherwise the ice cream will melt. So make sure that the sauce is not hot, it should cool down fully. Likewise I'm doing all the ice creams with the same process. I'm going to dip in white chocolate as well as in dark chocolate. So we are going to freeze these ice creams for 15 minutes to get a crunchy outer layer. So see how yummy and tasty the ice creams are without any molds. There's a simple way of making ice creams. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell button for more updates. Thank you.